Shri Ayodhya Rama Namaha, Shri Ayodhya Vaikunta Rama Vishnu Namaha, Shri Ayodhya Rama Namaha, Shri Ayodhya Sita Rama Namaha, Shri Ayodhya Janaki Rama Namaha. Shri Ayodhya Rama Janmabhoomi Deva Mandir temple has converted Shri Ayodhya Ramadeva into Shri Ayodhya Vaikunta Vishnu Ramadeva. Shri Ayodhya Ramadeva becomes Indian Hindu men, women and children's Indian Hindu protector god, Shri Vishnu Ramadeva. India becomes Bharat, Bharat becomes Indian Hindu Deva Devi Bhumi. All Indian men, women and children are equal to one another. All Indian men, women and children are Brahmaputras and Brahmaputris. No Indian Hindu man, woman or child is superior to any other Indian man, woman or child. No Indian Hindu man, woman or child is inferior to any other Indian Hindu man, woman or child. Om Shri Saptarshi Namah. 7 Indian Hindu Rishi Muni Acharyas, Angirasa, Brihaspati, Bharadwaj, Vishwamitra, Vasishtha, Satanand Gautama Valmiki. Om Shri Saptha Dasharshis Namah. 17 Indian Hindu Rishi Muni Acharyas, Angirasa Maharshi, Brihaspati Maharshi, Bharadwaj Maharshi, Vishwamitra Maharshi, Vasishtha Maharshi, Satanand Maharshi, Valmiki Maharshi, Vedavyasa Maharshi, Govinda Acharya, the Guru of Shankaracharya, Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Ayodhya Ramanuja Muni Acharya, Vallabhacharya, Ramananda Acharya, Kanaka Dasa Muni Acharya, Narendra Modi Acharya, Narayana Guru Acharya.